Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I'm going to teach you about MS Excel 2021, specifically about security. Today we will talk about how we can secure our sheet. As you can see on the screen, I have written some data here, and after that I have prepared this format here. Now I have hired a new accountant or a new data entry operator. This new user is with me. Now I want that he should not be able to make any changes anywhere in this sheet. The records we have already added should remain as they are. We only want to allow him to write data in this cell or within these cells, and he should not be able to write data in any other cell. Now see, for example, if I try to delete something here, you can see that it's not getting deleted. Even if I click here, it doesn't get deleted. If I try to write something here, I can't write anything either. And apart from that, whenever we try to click here and write something, you can see that it first asks you for permission. As soon as we enter the password here, you can easily write here. For example, I typed the password here and pressed enter, and now you can see that I can add fees or anything else here. So how do we protect a cell like this? Today, I am going to teach you this in detail. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. Now, I have added this same data here on sheet number 2. So I'll go to sheet number 2 from here. And after that, I want to apply protection here. So what did I do for this? First of all, you should save this sheet just like I saved it here with the name Edit Allow Range. After that, select all the cells on which you want to apply this protection. Then you need to come here to review, and after clicking on review, let's say I want to lock these columns for the month of March. So after that, I clicked on review, and then we click on allow edit ranges. This dialog box will open in front of you. I had already added one here earlier with the name add feed. So you need to click on new here. Make sure to click on new in this. After that, you need to give this range a name. For example, I named it Falcon. I'm saving it as Falcon 1. After that, if you want to set a password for the range so that whenever your data entry operator tries to write on the computer, it will first ask for the password. Only after entering the password will they be able to write data. Otherwise, they won't be able to write data. So I typed the password, confirmed it, and clicked OK. Then I typed 100 and clicked OK. After that, what do I need to do? Click on Protect Sheet. As soon as you click on Protect Sheet, the Protect Sheet dialog box will open in front of you. Here, you need to select all the options available so that no one can format any cell, insert or delete any column or row, hyperlinks don't work, hyperlinks can't be inserted, and no autofill command works inside this. So you need to select all these commands. After checking them, what do you need to do? Enter the password here. Now see, the first password was 100, and this is the password I'm setting now. Here, suppose you enter 147 and then we click OK. Then type the password 147 again and click OK. So you see your protection has now been applied. Now, if you try to delete this, it won't be deleted. After that, if we try to add something here, nothing will be added. If we try to write something in this cell, for example, suppose I want to add a fee for March. And as soon as I try to add the fee here, you'll see that you have to type the password for the unlocked range. So what was our password here? It was 100. After that, click OK, and now you can enter the amount here. In this way, you can add data here, and after that, we'll save it. After saving, when you open it again and try to add data, you'll be asked for the password again. If you want to remove this protection, what do you need to do? You need to go to Review and then click on Unprotect Sheet. The second password we set, which was 147, as soon as we type it and click OK, you can write anything anywhere and delete anything from anywhere, just like I deleted this here. After that, I can click here and write something as well. For example, here I typed AutoCAD and so on. I typed jail and so on. So here too, I can easily write anything. In this way, you can both apply and remove protection. So by applying this kind of protection, you can secure your data. This was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can secure your data by using allow edit ranges. So see you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.